Hello, good morning children. We are going to start our mathematics lesson now. So the topic for today is number patterns. Okay, number patterns. Let's see what is number patterns. Okay, look at this number line. There are four numbers here. Okay, four numbers: 28,010, 28,016, 28,022, 28,028. So, is the number increasing or decreasing? Increasing or decreasing? Okay, the number pattern increasing, right? Because the number becomes bigger and bigger. Okay, bigger and bigger, that means it is increasing. Okay, increasing. So let's see how many does it increasing. Okay, we can use this method. We use minus. Okay, we use the bigger numbers to minus the smaller numbers. Okay, 28,016 minus 28,010. Okay, after we do the subtraction, it will become 6. Okay, the 6 means this number is increasing by 6. That means all plus 6. Because it is increasing and it become bigger, so we plus. Okay, plus 6, and this one also plus 6. This one also plus 6. Okay, that means it is increases by 6. Okay, next. Okay, there are 5 numbers here. 10,017, 10,010, 10,003, 9,996, 9,989. Okay, let's see. The numbers become bigger or smaller? It becomes smaller, right? Smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller. So that means it is decreasing. Decreasing. So we need to find out how many does it decrease. So we also use the minus method, subtraction. Okay, we use the bigger number to minus the smaller number. 10,017 minus 10,010. So the answer is 7. Okay, as we know that it is decreasing, so it must be minus 7. Okay, if you look at the number line, you see the number line, it is going backward. Going backward means you can minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, and minus 7. It's all the same. Okay, it's all the same. So if the number becomes smaller, that means it is decreases by, and then you count by how many. You do the subtraction, minus, and then you know the number is 7. 7 means decreases by 7s. Okay, got S here because so many 7 here. 4 7. Okay, understand? Next. Okay, 5 numbers here. 20,730, 30,730, 40,730, 50,730, 60,730. Okay, so now we have to find out what is the number pattern. The number pattern, so the first step we have to know is the number become bigger or become smaller. The number becomes bigger, right? Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes bigger. Bigger means the number is increasing. Increasing, okay? Increasing. Okay, now we have to find out increasing by what number? Okay, increasing by how many? Okay, then we need to do the subtraction. We have to minus it. We find out two numbers and then we use the bigger one to minus the smaller one. Okay, let's see here. 30,730 minus 20,730. Then the answer is 10,000. 10,000. That means there is 10,000 between this number. Okay, then we know that the number, okay, that's 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. It's all increasing by 10,000. Okay, the number patterns above this number increases by 10,000s. Okay, this one. Okay, we have to fill in this number, okay? Okay, let's see. 3 numbers here. We have to fill in the other 2. Okay, 88,275. 87,275. And this is empty. 85,275. Okay, now let's see. Let's find out what is this number. Okay, as we know that we have to find out, is it increasing or decreasing? The number becomes smaller, right? Smaller, so we have to decrease it. Decrease, we have to find out how many is it decrease. Okay, we have to minus it. Bigger number minus smaller number. It will become 1,000. 1,000. So every number is decreased by 1,000. Okay, you see? Decrease 1,000 and then decrease 1,000. Okay, everyone decrease 1,000. So what is the number here? We have to use this number. 87,275 decrease 1,000. Okay, so the answer is 86,275. Now we have to find out this one. This one we have to use this number and then minus 1,000. It will become 84,275. Okay, just minus it. Okay, can you understand? Okay, next one. Now let's see. Okay, the answer, the question is, what is the 6th number in this number pattern? 6th number means here. Okay, let's see. Let's see the number patterns. Is it become bigger or become smaller? It's become bigger, right? You see, from 5, 6, 7. That means it become bigger and bigger. Now we have to find out how many does it increase. Okay, we use the bigger number minus with the smaller number. Okay, 15,607, 15,507. So the answer is 100. That means this number was increased by 100. So we have to find out the next one. Okay, we use this number 15,707 plus 100 because it is increasing. Increasing means we have to plus. So the answer here is 15,807. Okay, and we do the same thing. Plus 100 again become 15,907. Then we plus again with 100. Then the answer here is 16,007. So the 6th number is this one. This is the answer. Okay, the 6th number is 16,007. Okay, now let's see this question. Arrange these 6 numbers in descending order. State the number pattern. Okay, what is descending order? Descending order means from the bigger number to the smaller number. Bigger to smaller. Okay, so from this number, we have to find out which one is the biggest first. Okay, we have to find out which one is the biggest. If you find out the biggest, then you can continue. Okay, this is the biggest. 60,150. and then 60,140, 60,130, 60,120, 60,110, 60,100. Okay, now we have to find out the number patterns for this number. Okay, this number is decreasing, right? From the biggest to the smaller means it is decreasing. Okay, so we have to find out how much does it decreasing. Okay, we have to use the bigger number decreased by the minus by the smaller number, and it become 10. Okay, so that means this all is decreasing by 10. Okay, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Okay, so the number pattern above decreases by tens. Okay, can you understand? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.